Welcome to the video demo of Big Monitoring Fabric's Analytics Everywhere, a solution which brings cloud-style visibility to on-prem networks. Big Monitoring Fabric Enterprise Cloud is a modern network packet broker designed with cloud principles. It enables pervasive security and monitoring of organizations' workloads and selectively delivers them to multiple security, performance, and compliance tools. Powered by an SDN controller to manage a fabric of open Ethernet switches and industry-standard x86 servers, BigMon simplifies end-to-end IT workflows by integrating with BigMon Recorder node for capturing packets and BigMon Analytics node for application and flow visibility. With this architecture, BigMon enables a scale-out fabric for enterprise-wide visibility, a single pane of glass for operational simplicity, and multi-tenancy for various IT teams including NetOps, DevOps, and Security Ops. Now let's begin with a quick overview of the BigMon Analytics robust user interface. As we log in, we are presented with several predefined dashboards: the SFlow and the NetFlow dashboards, which provide flow intelligence, TCP dashboard, which provides application performance intelligence, DHCP dashboard, which provides OS fingerprinting, DNS dashboard, which provides rogue DNS server or domain name misconfiguration identification, and an open source IDS like Bro or Zeek dashboard, which provides rapid attack detection. These dashboards not only provide real-time information, but also show historical information depending on the selected user-defined time interval options. The data in each of these visualizations can be represented as a pie chart or in a tabular form. Along with the production traffic for rapid troubleshooting, you can also monitor BigMon Fabric policies or interfaces over time. Now let's say using analytics, we see an interesting event and now we want to inspect the actual packets related to this event. Leveraging the integration with multiple BigMon Recorder nodes, the BigMon Analytics node can query them to fetch packets related to the corresponding event. Here, we see a filter based on phi tuple and a time interval applied on the analytics dashboard. Packet Recorder node is now queried, and note that the filter based on phi tuple and a time interval is carried over to the Packet Recorder node. Querying the recorder for size, you will get a packet count and size of the PCAP in bytes. App ID option identifies the application flows in the PCAP. Clicking on packets gives you a PCAP file that you can download on your laptop. Flow analysis gives option to filter on several different protocols. We have selected TCP flow analysis in this case. This option can perform flow analysis with respect to throughput, retransmissions, round trip time, and more. Now let's take a look at few of the BigMon Analytics use cases. Say that you want to know the top talkers in the network over time. The NetFlow dashboard can be leveraged to do this. Filter on the top talkers and you find the distribution of traffic of these talkers over time. Integration with OpenVPN allows the admin to map the IP addresses to the usernames, which makes it very convenient to identify the source of the top talker. Now, as an admin of a network, you might be wondering, how is my network behaving compared to last week? The week-by-week comparison on the SFlow dashboard can help the user to easily detect the anomalies. One of the other common issues in the network could be that why are the users finding their cloud apps not responsive? How can we use analytics to troubleshoot this? One can start troubleshooting by having a look at the SFlow dashboard. Check the traffic over time graph for high bandwidth usage during the time period when the apps are not responsive. The admin can then drill down with filters and home into the exact host to find the application that is the source of the problem. In this case, we do see that a laptop software upgrade caused high network usage and hence caused the apps to be less responsive for other users. What if the security admin wants to find an unsupported or an outdated operating system in your network? OS fingerprinting in the DHCP dashboard helps you achieve this. An important prerequisite for correctly provisioning your network is to find how different applications interact with each other. In this application dependency mapping dashboard, we have selected a server, and now we will explore the connections to and from this server. The top graph shows incoming connections to the server, and the bottom graph shows the outgoing connections. We can further expand the probe to find more applications and their interactions. This will eventually lead you to an application mapping visualization that shows you how different applications interact with each other in your network. Tracking the network hops traversed by a flow is useful to find packet drops that may have occurred at a particular hop in the network. Analytics does hop-by-hop monitoring by listing the production device interfaces or hops a particular flow has traversed, as well as the number of packets seen at each hop. Now, it takes a lot of resources for someone to monitor all these dashboards and detect the anomalies manually. Wouldn't it be nice to detect them automatically? Machine learning feature in BigMon Analytics gives us the capability to do this. The Anomaly Explorer lists the overall and individual anomalies over time. Various fields required to build this machine learning job can be discovered from the data sources like SFlow, NetFlow, DNS, and many more, and then used to create a job to track the anomalies. As an example here, we are tracking the round-trip time taken by the DNS queries. This job lists the top DNS queries that took an abnormal round-trip time to complete. This is compared with the typical values for that DNS query, and then an overall heat map of anomalies over time is drawn. The baseline behavior is learned with machine learning, and anomalies are detected automatically when the actual behavior deviates from this baseline behavior. To learn more about Big Monitoring Fabric online, please visit us at labs.bigswitch.com. Thank you for watching.